everyone, this is Holly Knutson. I'm a functional health practitioner in Utah, and I'd like to introduce you to an amazing opportunity that you may not be aware of, and that is functional lab testing online that you can take advantage of without a doctor's order and without contacting your insurance. It's just between you and this awesome company, True Health Labs. And there's a link in the description below this video. You can click on that and it will take you to their website where you can just check them out or create an account if you'd like. But True Health Labs is a direct access testing company that provides lab tests from dozens of CLIA certified laboratories, both here in the U.S. and internationally. And they created their lab to make lab testing directly available to people who are not insured or who don't have adequate insurance or who didn't have much luck ordering tests through their doctor, or who simply want to take control of their own health and monitor their health through functional lab testing. True Health Labs was founded with the purpose of providing this lab testing that is convenient, affordable, and confidential. They believe that no one should be restricted to the limitations of our current healthcare system. And I think everybody knows by now that there are limitations in our current healthcare system. True Health Labs believes in preventative and predictive medicine. And this is why they offer tests that you would receive from your doctor, but advanced testing that detects nutritional imbalances. And these tests can help you make specific lifestyle changes based on your personal chemistry and your lab results. So I just want to help you navigate their dashboard. If you go here to the lab test categories, you'll see the tests arranged in alphabetical order. And you can let's click on autoimmune. Look at all the different autoimmune screens. Let's say that you suspect that one of your children or yourself has celiac disease. Well, you can click right here, HLA-DQ2. This is a genetic test for celiac disease. And look what the regular price is, $761. Your price is $299. Well, that's more than half off. If you'd like to order this test, you can click Add to Cart or you can click Add to Wish List. Let's say that you're debating between 4 or 5 different tests and you don't want to add them to your cart yet. That's where this wish list would come in. And you can read below additional information about this test for celiac disease. Here are the markers that they test for. Look at all of these. What's being tested? HLA-DQ2 gene, HLA-DQ8 gene. And I've got the DQ2 gene. But more than 95% of those with celiac disease test positive for either the DQ2 or DQ8 gene. Testing these genes can be used to support the diagnosis of celiac disease. However, this can also be used as a functional marker when determining if gluten products can be added back in the diet. Okay, now this is important information right here, and it will tell you whether you need to fast or not before the test. And in this case, no. The specimen is blood. Now be aware that some of the tests require a saliva, a urine, or a stool sample. And in that case, a testing kit would be sent directly to your house, and you would be responsible for collecting the sample, and then you would put that in the kit along with your requisition form that is included, and you would mail that back to True Health Labs, and they give you a mailing envelope and a return address label. So it's really pretty slick, and then you will get your results back most of the time. Well, it could be 3 to 4 business days. In this case, it's 7 to 10 business days. And with more complex testing, it could be up to 2 weeks. So if it's a blood test, you will need to go to a draw location to get your blood drawn. You obviously can't do that at home. And so you would want to click on draw location, and you'll be taken to this window. Click here to find a patient service center location nearest you. And then you just fill this out, 10 miles, let's say you're getting routine blood work, and then you would search and you enter your zip code, and it'll come up with a few different locations that are close to you. And so that's how you do that. And then when you will receive your results via email, and it's password protected for your safety. And you'll also have the option to schedule a results consultation with a healthcare practitioner to go over your results. And you'll do that via this email, and then a doctor will call you at that appointed time. You can also build a custom panel. And I think this is a great factor that they have here. Do you have a long list of tests from your doctor and want to save time searching the entire site for all the tests you need? Well, that's where this Build Your Custom Panel comes in. So fill out your information. You can put your CPT code if you have that. Oh, and I'll go back and show you where you can find that too. But a representative will get back to you with this if the tests aren't available. But I think that's kind of a fun feature. So let's go back here. Let's go to blood sugar, glucose blood test. Okay, what's being tested? Glucose, it's blood, fasting, 10 to 12 hours. That's important. Specimen type blood. Now, and this one doesn't have a CPT code. Actually, some of them do, though. Let's see. If it does, it will be along this line. But see, there's so many different tests. I just think it's a great company. And by the way, they're having their Black Friday savings this week. I'll put the link below, and you can click on that to receive a 15% savings on your total order. So if you've been looking to get some functional lab testing, now is the time. You can also if you have a specific test in mind, you can plug it into the search lab results. But see, that's pretty easy, isn't it? Anyway, there you go. There's a quick tutorial on True Health Labs. It's really a great lab that we should all be taking advantage of. And I hope this video helped you. Give me a like if it did, and please leave your comments. If you have a question below, please don't hesitate to leave that in the comments section, and I will get back to you. Thank you.